What's up, guys? This is the Dynamic Duo Reviews, the Thompson 5. We are doing a hot series talking about all the cool stuff. I'm Grayson, and that's Beth. All right, she's going to do this to me every single time. This is why we could never do an hour-long podcast together, but you guys are not here for that. You're here for you're here for it right now. So here's what we're going to talk about today. I don't have enough stuff to record in my house.
Yes. I get lots of messages from people who are starting out saying like, hey, I don't think I even have like $200 items or 500 items, or what do you do if after you run out of items in your house? And I always say, I bet there is 500 or 1,000 items in your house. And once you hit at least 500, you're going to then start getting products or investing more or getting products from brands, etc. by that point. But there is AI tools out there. ChatGPT can be your friend. I had someone on Facebook reach out to me yesterday asking like she hasn't even started, but she's so worried about not even having enough stuff.
Analysis by paralysis.
Yes, and so I literally took 3 minutes of my day and I typed in ChatGPT and I said, please list 1,000 items that is in a typical household that does sell on Amazon. They might not have purchased it on Amazon, but it probably sells on Amazon.
Correct.
All the way down, and they broke it down to room by room, and ChatGPT printed a copy, sent it to her, and she was amazed. So, I mean, all the way down from, like, in dining rooms, what's in dining rooms, what's in kitchens, what's in the living room, bedrooms. Think doorknobs, think light switch covers, microwaves, dustpans, silverware, picture frames.
I'm going to be honest with you. I struggled with this at first. I really did. It was one of those things that I'm like, this is not on Amazon. I take my phone out, right? And you guys don't realize you have the phone, the Amazon app. Yep. Take the app out with the image finder, right? Scan an item. Is it pop up on Amazon? Is that the item? Yes. Word of caution. Don't tag the wrong item. Don't do the wrong stuff. That's not what Amazon is for.
Well, it's against
the terms, right? Like, so
if it's the item, then do it.
If it's the item, absolutely do it. And that's what I think that's what you're getting at.
Dog food, dog mats, dog bowls. Start going in each category. Go in your house, and I bet you look around in each room. I mean, I'm looking around our dining room, and there's stuff in here that
we've never recorded.
And we have 2,000 videos up right now that I'm like, I don't think I've ever done that. I've never done this.
Exactly.
There's so many things that we haven't done.
Because you're given stuff. You buy stuff on the fly. Like, think of it this way. Like, I feel like this one's fun. Your kids go to a party and they get a kid bag, a thank you bag to go home, and it's got little tchotchkes in it, right? And it has a sticker book. It has colored pencils. It has some markers. It has a little Play-Doh thing. Like, all that stuff was bought somewhere and more than likely is on Amazon. Yeah. Okay? More than likely is on Amazon. And you will hear the shift that we're going to give you guys. There is a shift. So be prepared. Quantity over quality starts to take over. Right? So right now we're looking for quantity.
Quantity first.
Quality comes later. Now, if you're good and you understand this and you're getting it, you can do both, right? You can do both at the same time. Now, there's tools out there that can assist with that, like using Viral View, where you can do a scan of your purchases on Amazon, and then you can search your purchases by like high quality items and what you've bought.
You can start from ground zero and go from $0 to $100 a day by using their platform.
Absolutely.
Oink has a similar thing where you can scan your order history. All the way, going back years and years. And I think that's great so that you don't just go in each room blind, but you can actually look at your storefront.
Sure.
Or look at your history of what you've bought, and then you can see what actually sells. Like, instead of doing some kid books that have unknown 30-day revenue, and they don't sell at all, because you have to remember, if they don't sell, you're not going to make money.
Yeah, that's the thing, right? I think we get caught up. So again, there's a combination of quantity over quality, but at some point in time, you have to pay attention to the quality, which is all about, does it sell? How many people are on the carousel? And so on and so forth. Because you're going to struggle to get on the carousel, right, with a low quality and low quantity amount of videos. Amazon is not going to prioritize you, so you have to be careful with that.
That's just your thought.
Statistics. I think
no one knows Amazon's brain.
But that's the thoughts, right? That's my true thoughts, because I've watched people that have had 200 videos and they're like, I'm not getting revenue, and I've scanned their storefront because they'll share it. We'll do audits and we'll look at them, and it's like, man, that's a high volume. So they've done a good job. They followed a process. Now, mind you, I think there's a patience aspect to that. Statistics show, right, that Amazon, the carousel moves, but you typically do not reap the benefits of getting on the carousel for upwards of days to weeks. So you might show up on there, but your revenue might not kick in. And it's such a weird conundrum we run into, because you got to understand, not everybody has Prime. So not everybody, wildly enough, there are people that do not have Amazon Prime.
Items in your house.
Items. Sorry. See, this is the problem. Items in your house, you have enough in every room. Go room by room. I mean, that's what you have to do.
Oh, yeah.
Just go room by room and start to scan stuff. It is that easy. And I promise you can come up with 100, 200, 300, 400, 500.
And we always recommend, once you get to 50 or 100 videos, especially 50, to start Oink or Buyer Review.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because you're going to miss out on Halo sales.
And tagging parent ASINs.
Parent ASINs. Parent ASINs is probably, that's my favorite item or conversational piece.
We still don't have almost all of our 1,800 videos with parent ASINs.
Well, yeah, because items go in and out of stock, and they change. Companies rebrand stuff, and that's a whole other conversation for a different day. But hopefully you got a little bit of confidence and watching this video knowing that. If you
need 1,000 videos, I have a list of items in your household.
Yeah, comment 1,000 videos, and we'll send you that list. How about that?
Yep.
Check it out, guys.